Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage who can see your VoiceClub activity on the IMO app. If you want more control over your privacy and make sure only the right people can hear your voice messages, we will guide you through each setting clearly. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, you will see your profile name at the top of the page. Click on your profile name to open the profile settings. Then, scroll down and click on the Edit button at the bottom of your profile page. After that, look for Privacy Settings and tap on it. In the Privacy menu, here, you will find an option labeled VoiceClub. Click on VoiceClub to see the different visibility options available for your voice activity. You can choose between Everyone, My Contacts, Custom, or Nobody depending on your preference. If you select Everyone, all IMO users will be able to hear your VoiceClub activity. Choosing My Contacts will limit it to only people saved in your contacts. The Custom option allows you to select specific people who can see it. And finally, selecting Nobody will make your VoiceClub completely private. Finally, once you have selected your preferred option, exit the settings and your choice will be saved automatically. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.